how to overlay photos on Instagram Story. If you want to use a custom photo as a background while sharing a post or adding other elements to your Instagram Story, there's a simple way to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Select the post you want to share and tap on the share icon below it. Choose Add to Story. Now Instagram will place the post on a default background, but you can replace it with any image from your gallery. To do this, take a screenshot of the image you want to use as your background and crop out any unnecessary parts. This ensures you have the right image ready in your gallery. Now, go back to your Instagram Story editor. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, then find the Frames icon. This will allow you to select the image you just saved. Once you add it to your story, resize it to fit the screen. Next, make the shared post as small as possible and move it to the side, but be careful not to delete it. Now, adjust the background image to fill the screen or position it as needed. Once you're happy with the background, drag the shared post back on top and place it wherever you like. You can also add multiple images using the same method. Once everything is set, tap Share to post your story. That's how to overlay photos on Instagram Story.